Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to list a property on Vrbo. First, go to vrbo.com or open the app. Then log into your account. If you don't have an account, just create a new one. It's very simple and easy. Then select list your property. Then you will be redirecting to your listed page. Tell us about your place. Select your place. Then enter your address and unit number. Unit number is optional and select next. And enter your details. Vrbo will ask for your details and follow their prompts. And that's how you can list a property on Vrbo. If you found this video helpful, then give it a like.